If you are looking for the best oil-free fryer for healthy cooking, this video is for you. We will immediately discover together the 3 best oil-free fryers available on Amazon. We regularly update the names and prices of the products we mention. You can find them in the description just below. In the top 3, we have the Insky oil-free fryer with 11 programs. This brand is renowned for its quality and innovative products. This fryer has a capacity of 5.5 liters. Ideal for preparing meals for the whole family. It weighs 5.75 kilograms. With a power of 1,700 watts, it allows you to quickly and efficiently cook a wide variety of dishes. Among its new features, we find preheating, defrosting and keeping warm. Adjustable preheating visibly improves the texture of food and allows food to be cooked quickly and completely in just 2 to 5 minutes. In addition, this fryer uses the Maillard reaction principle to ensure that food is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, while reducing oil use by 85%. The fryer offers 7 preset cooking programs, as well as temperature, 80 to 200 degrees Celsius, and time, up to 60 minutes, settings. You can also program cooking in advance for up to 12 hours. Users particularly appreciate the ease of cleaning thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket. However, some find that the fan can be a bit noisy and that the preset programs require a little getting used to. Overall, this fryer is a great option for those who want fast, healthy cooking with advanced features. In the top 2, we have the Cosori Air Fryer Oil-Free Fryer. If you are a fan of fast cooking and are willing to pay the price, this is a particularly interesting option. This fryer has a large 5.5-liter basket, perfect for family meals. Weighs 5.4 kilograms. It works with a power of 1,700 watts, just like the previous one. This model has 13 preset functions, allowing you to cook, fry, roast and grill a wide variety of foods. Thermo-IQ technology reduces the amount of oil used by up to 85%, ensuring healthier cooking without compromising on taste. Preheating is fast, saving time in the kitchen, and the LED touchscreen makes its use simple and intuitive. The Cosori fryer is also appreciated for its energy savings, with a consumption reduced by 55% compared to traditional ovens. It comes with a 100 recipe book, giving you plenty of options to explore new flavors. Users mention that cleanup is easy thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick baskets. Overall, this fryer is perfect for those looking to diversify their dishes while maintaining a healthy and quick cooking experience. However, some find that the many preset programs can be a little complex to use at first and take a little time to get used to. In top 1, combining performance, innovation and design, we have the Ninja Air Fryer Max. This fryer is one of the classics of the brand, known for its robust and high-performance products. With a capacity of 5.2 liters, it is slightly smaller than the previous 2, but remains ideal for a family. It weighs 5.2 kilograms. It operates with a power of 1,750 watts, which makes it slightly more powerful than the Insky and Cosori models. The Ninja Air Fryer Max has 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, cook, reheat and dehydrate. These features allow great flexibility in meal preparation. The 5.2-liter family basket can hold up to 1.4 kilograms of fries or a 2 kilograms chicken, which is perfect for large portions. In addition, it uses hot air to quickly cook food with little or no oil, reducing fat by 75%. This exclusive model, available in copper and black, includes silicone tongs and a dishwasher-safe non-stick basket. The Ninja Fryer is also known for its energy efficiency, saving up to 55% on the electricity bill compared to conventional ovens. Users appreciate the speed of cooking and the quality of the food, although some find the basket a little difficult to handle due to its size. In summary, this fryer offers an ideal combination of performance, design and energy savings, making it our top one. In conclusion, we end up with the Insky 5.5L oil-free fryer with 11 programs, the Cosori Air Fryer oil-free fryer and the Ninja Air Fryer Max as the best current oil-free fryers. Each of these fryers has its own advantages and disadvantages, but they all offer a healthy and efficient way to cook your favorite dishes. Feel free to tell us in the comments what you thought of them. The links and prices of the products are in the description just below. And don't hesitate to subscribe to be informed of each new video. See you soon for a new video. See you soon.